welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. Okay, so a few weeks ago, I introduced on the channel the 52-week savings challenge. And I told you, go to Pinterest and look up the 52-week saving challenge. And I'm just going to do a quick review over this, and then we're going to get into how to save 10K in 100 days. So basically in 3 weeks. All right. So the 52-week savings challenge. Week 1, you would save just $1. Week 2, you're going to put back $2. Week 3, $3. By week 3, you'll have $6. So and so on. Week 4, you're going to put back $4. Each week, you're going to keep going all the way till you get to 52. And that would give you, at the end of the year, $1,378. You get what I'm saying? So, we're into March now. You can play catch up. You can even go ahead of the game. You don't even need $60 right now to play catch up to do the 52-week challenge. Go on Pinterest, and it looks like this. So each week you can just check off, and then that way you can have funds that are available on hand. When you say cash on demand, cash in hand. Emergency fund. You want to have money set back in case you need new tires, car repairs, something at the house, or just maybe something happened and you need quick money fast, and you don't want to be like, oh my God, where am I going to get this money? We also talked about having a budget planner. Now, some people, like to go online, make all types of spreadsheets and all this, that, and the other. I'm not doing all that. I'm old school. Yeah, hold on. Yeah, that water. Something about that water got to have it. But I'm from the old school. I need to write down. I need to see. And this is a budget planner. And I got this from the Loisier, Walmart. I don't even think it was $3. So very cost effective. But here is to show you. You have your monthly spending. In this book, I like it because it has your miscellaneous. It gives you, things that you can write down as miscellaneous. General savings, emergency, and vacation. What you want to put back for that each month. Housing, rent, mortgage, water, electric, gas, phone, television, insurance, maintenance, internet, yard, lawn care, fees, all of that. Personal, beauty, wellness, lessons, hobbies, gifts, nail salon, hair salon on that side. Entertainment, movies, vacation, hobbies, going out, subscriptions, transportation, payments, insurance, gas, ride share, maintenance, parking, all of that. Over here we have health, insurance, copays, mental health, medicine, prescriptions, vision care, vitamins, medical bills, clothes, shoes, work, casual, accessories, children. Thank you, Jesus. Childcare in this day and time is very expensive. Childcare, tuition, classes, school meals, toys, school supplies, clothing, sports, activities, babysitter, allowance, camp, giving, charities, religious, political, food, groceries, dining out, fast food, work lunches, alcohol if you need to sip, pets, got food, veterinary, medication, sitter, boarding, bedding, walking, grooming, toys. So I love this because it's detailed for you to see where your money is going. A lot of times, people say, golly, where's my money at? You need to write it down. Then your spending summary. It has the date, the item description, and total. So you can track where your money is going. Each month it has, you fill in the date, you fill in the month, and then you start your monthly budget. The income, main source, other source, savings, your start balance, and your end balance. All of that, from budgeting food, bills, entertainment, all that is in this little book. This is great to have. This will help you keep up with every dollar. So I recommend to go get this book. Go to Walmart and get this book. Come up with a spreadsheet. If you want to get more detail, maybe you want to invest more in stocks, bonds, or whatever. But we got to get the basics down. It's out here in this world right now. So get your budget book. Go to Pinterest. Print off the 52K week savings challenge. But now, all right, you gotta get a system. Even with the 52-week challenge, you want to get some envelopes, however you want to say it. Get some so you can mark your month on there and put your money in. So you're going to go to Pinterest. Yes, you are. And this is what you're going to print out. So 10K in 100 days. Every day, you're going to take an envelope and you're going to write on it. So this is not for the week. Day 1, you're going to put $2 in an envelope. Day 2, you're going to put $4. Day 3, 6. Day 4, 8. 10, 12. Each day, you're going to just keep going. $2 a day. $2 a day. You hear what I'm saying? It's always going to be in $2 increments. If you do that for 100 days, 100 days, you will have $10,000. So your last envelope will have $200 in it. The last one. So, like I said, each day you're going to put money in an envelope. And at the end of the 100 days, you will have $10,000 saved up. So run to Pinterest, print this out. And if you say, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. Do $1. You know that you're going to have $5,000. Do half of it. You'll have $5,000, which instead of putting 2 each day, you're going to keep adding 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The money's going to add up. And do not, with the T, touch it. Do not, with the T, touch it. So can you imagine if you say, well, let me start and let me do the 52-week challenge. Now, this one to me is very easy, very simple. You could double up on this. You could triple up on this. If you double up on it, you're going to have over $2,000 something at the end of the year. If you triple up on it, you're going to have over $3,000 something. If you think if the 10K is too much, then divide it. You know that you're going to have $5,000 in 100 days. And imagine if you keep doing that. Imagine if you got this going, and imagine if you did 5 or 10K. So if you did 5, then you did another 5, and you did another 5, and you did every quarter. Every quarter. You know, I have had people say, "Oh, girl, I don't know about that." But if you cut it in half, imagine at the end of every quarter, every 90 days, got 4 quarters, 5, 10, 50. You'll have 20 grand at the end of the year. Now, if you could swing and do 10K every 90 days, you would have 40 grand. So you could have 40 grand if you did each quarter at the end of 1 year. How could that change your life? How could that change your life? Can you imagine going into the bank, meeting with an accountant, getting your portfolio together, investing, let me say that again, investing into yourself, getting things going. If you could just sacrifice for 1 year, how much would your life change? Having that down payment on a home that you've been looking at, that you've been dreaming of, you've been wanting. See, doubt will creep in and say, we can't do something, that we cannot achieve it. But, sister girl, I'm here to tell you, you can. To my brothers, you can. But you have to shift this. That mindset has got to shift. We can do more than we think we can. Just like I tell my kids, my students, when they start saying, I can't, I say, you haven't even tried. You don't know what you can do until you try. And if you fall, get back up and start over again. Every day is a new day. Once again, go to Pinterest, print this off. Like I said, you got the 52-week challenge, and you got the 10K challenge, which, like I said, if you feel like this is too much, break it in half and have 5,000. Have 5,000. You know, this one is so simple. Add to it. Add to it. And I'm going to be coming on here, like I said, with more tips on money. Because a lot of times we're just like, oh my goodness, so much life is happening and we're just tired. Mind is going. We don't really just sit down and think of simple ways. Notice I said simple ways to make that coin, to make that bag. But have no fear. Sister girl is here. And this is, when I'm talking to y'all, I'm talking to me. You know, I'm talking to me. Because y'all already know my profession, you know, it's a paycheck of the heart. But I need coins. I need coins to live. I need coins to do things. And teachers, we have to be creative. When I say creative, not creative just in the classroom, but creative when it comes to life and living. And sister girl gonna live, okay? I'm gonna live and be happy. I want y'all to live and be happy. So I just want to jump on here because I know I said that I would do that. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come on here. We're gonna talk about some other things. Y'all. But if y'all are still watching, you're still watching, go on and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Yes, you can get that 10K. Yes, you can get that 5K. And you most definitely, with the 52, you can hit over 1,000. You can hit, add to it, double it up or triple it up, and know that you're going to have that $3,000 sitting at the end of the year. Maybe you want to take a trip. Maybe it's something that you really want to do. Y'all, and these are ways that you can do it. And don't get distracted by stuff. And y'all, another thing I said, and I did it this week. I said, okay, I'm going to just use cash instead of that card. that card will get you. Because, you know, so no, we just be swiping. I'm like, oh, I didn't mean to spend that much. But if you take out X amount of dollars and say, okay, when the X amount is gone, you're done. You're done with the spending. That's like having a true allowance. See, the economy think it's gonna get us, but we got this thing. We gonna save, we gonna live, and we gonna enjoy life. We just might have to shift the mind, and do some things a little bit differently. Well, y'all know I love you, and I'll be back with more money saving tips, because we gonna live our best life over here. Y'all know I love you. I'm Nikki J. Toodles, and I'm out.